Whoa, check out this cave.
Whoa, that's awesome. You want to climb on it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Guys, I don't know if you should do that. That's a pretty creepy cave.
Oh, be quiet.
Yeah, this is so fun.
Whoa!
Oh, 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 oh. Whoa. All right, did you hear that, Brains? Uh-oh, I knocked his brains off. Oh no, what is that? It's a ghost. Ah!
Monster ones.
If you love monster trucks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Thanks for letting us out of our cave, mini monster trucks. I'm Pirate's Curse Ghost. These are my zombie brothers. Zombies, do you hear me?
Yes.
Take them into the cave and trap them. Haha. We are free, brothers. Good job. Put them in the cave.
Hey! I thought they don't tell the Marvel Avengers. Whoa, they're fun. Watch.
Whoa. Hey, mini Mohawk Warrior, what's wrong?
I was playing on the zombie cave and I ate and all the brains came off and I ate those pirates' toes out and
What?
then and those pirates' toes.
Ghost Pirate's Curse, you let him out?
Yeah, the cave.
Oh no, guys, that's not good. All right.
And when I was going to your house, a foreign wad almost got on me.
Oh, they were throwing rocks at you? Did they capture your friends? Where are your friends at?
They got captured.
They got captured? Guys, we need to go save the mini monster trucks. Let's go. All right, guys, load up on the monster hauler. Let's go.
I'm going to stay here and watch your house.
Okay, thanks. You stay here. All right, guys, let's go. Get on. All right, Hulk. You going in the bottom?
Because I don't want.
Yeah. All right, who's going in next?
I go to the top because I do.
Yep. All right, Spider-Man.
I swim, but I don't fly.
All right, and I'll get on here with you, Spider-Man. All right, close it up. All right, let's go. Who is at Pirate Curse's cave?
The Marvel Avengers, please.
The Marvel Avengers? Zombies, go get them.
Please. Oh.
All right, guys, let's get out. Come on, let's go.
There's falling stuff on me.
There's stuff on you.
Yeah, because falling stuff around this cave.
Oh, yeah, there's rocks falling. You're right. All right, Iron Man, come on. Okay, guys, we need a plan. All right. Hey, what? Oh, no. They're already coming. Let's go. Huh. Hey, guys.
Hey,
little zombies.
Hey, it's a bird.
It's a bird? What? I thought this was where the ghosts were. I don't see a bird. Oh, good trick. Good trick, zombie.
Yeah,
Yeah, that was good. Hey,
it's a bird.
blast. Boom. You can't trick me. Oh, yeah, fire blasted him. Nice job, buddy. Yeah. High five with our hands. Look at this. Yeah, we high five with our hands. Good job. Boom. I'm the Hulk. I'm super strong.
Fire!
Hulk smash. Boom. I threw your buddy.
Hey, it's a bird.
That's not gonna trick me. Boom. Hulk smash. Oh, boom. I flipped him. Boom. Shield blast. Boom. right, guys. I think we saved them all. What?
You
Whoa, whoa, oh. They keep coming. There's too many zombies. Iron Man, come on. All right, guys. I think we're good.
No,
What? Blast.
No, you're not.
Shield. Boom. All right. The zombies keep coming. How do we defeat them? Oh no. Blast. Blast. Guys, we need to take them down. They're too strong. There's too many of them. All right, I think we're good.
No, you
Blast! Boom, 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 boom! One more. There's one more. Let me get a shield. Boom! Oh, he got a shield to the face. All right, Spider-Man, come here.
You hit him and he did a twist.
I know. I hit him so hard he did a flip in the air, didn't he? Hulk, there's something going on here, man. This is a scary cave. Oh, guys, did you hear that ghost? Oh, shh, guys, be quiet. Okay, guys, be quiet. Spider-Man, come here. All right, guys, there's something spooky going on here. So we need to listen, see if we can hear anything, okay? All right, Hulk, you got to be really careful. Do you understand?
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's go in. Let's be quiet. Let's attack this guy and get out of here and save the mini monster trucks. Are you ready?
On me.
We'll get that grass off you. Come on, silly. Yeah. All right, let's go. All right. Whoa, look. You guys defeated the first round of zombies, but you can't defeat me. I'm a ghost. Zombies, go get them. Hulk, you're super strong. Why don't you take them out? Oh.
No, you made me angry.
I'm not scared of you.
Oh, stop.
Oh, you smashed us. I'll just keep sending more zombies. Zombies, come out of the cave.
Oh, honey. I had to giant zombie. Hey, it's a ball.
Guys, he's just gonna keep having more zombies come out. We gotta take out Pirate's Curse Ghost if we want to win. More zombies. Keep going, guys. Attack them. Guys, he's gonna keep having zombies come. We gotta fight him. I'm gonna go get him.
What's
Ah!
this one helps him get down?
Ah!
Hey guys, there's too many to keep smashing.
Captain America is gonna go defeat Pirate's Curse Ghost. Let's keep fighting the zombie so he can do it, okay?
Okay.
Let's go. All right, I'm gonna sneak up on him so he doesn't see me. Shield slam. Oh, what? What? Where'd he go? Haha, I'm a ghost. You can't slam me. I can just move wherever I want. I can move faster than you can. Shield smash. Oh, what? Oh, where'd he go? I'm all the way over here, Captain America. I'll get you. Shield smash. What? Guys, he moves too fast. He's a ghost. How do we get him back in his cave?
We need to figure something out. There's too many zombies. Hey, we gotta figure this out. How are we gonna back in this tab? We gotta figure out. Oh, I know, the brains.
What? Oh, what did you say about the brains?
We gotta put that on the zombie.
Wait a second. Didn't mini monster trucks say that they knocked the brains off the zombie?
Yeah.
Do you think that's how the zombie's curse, Pirate's Curse, got out?
Yeah.
Oh no. You're right. The cave is missing its brains, look. Oh no. Where is it? We gotta find it. Zombies, don't let them find the brains. If they find it, they'll lock us up forever. Hulk, Spider-Man, you guys need to keep fighting the zombies. Iron Man and I are gonna go try to find the brains, okay?
Okay.
All right, good luck, buddies. You can do it. Oh, Spider-Man. Oh, Iron Man, I'm gonna distract the Pirate's Curse ghost. I need you to fly around and try to find the brains, okay? All right, let's do it. All right, here I go. Hey, Pirate's Curse ghost, try to dodge this. Gosh, he's so fast. Let me get him. All right, I gotta find those brains. Let's take off. Whoa, what is this over here? In this bush? I don't see anything. Oh, man, look at zombies. They're fighting them. Good job, guys. Keep fighting them. Good job. You can win, guys. Come on, Hulk. Huh. Whoa. Whoa, what is this? Oh, no. I think I found it. Oh, no. I found the brains. Oh, no. They tricked us. They found the brains. Stop them, zombies. You guys think you can get me? Fire blast. Hulk. I need your help. Come here, Hulk. Hulk. Hey, Hulk. The brains are too heavy. My jets can't pick me up and the brains. I need you to help me. Throw me in the air. Let me grab the brains, okay? All right, ready? 3, 2, 1, go! I'm up here. Let's put it on. They're in. No! They put the brains back on us, sucking us in. Oh no! Oh! Good job, guys. We defeated Pirate's Curse. But wait, where are the mini monster trucks? Oh! Hey, the cave just burped.
Thanks for helping us, Mobile Vendors.
Hey, no problem, mini monster trucks. We're always here to help you.
Yay! Thanks for saving my friends.
Hey, no problem, Mohawk Warrior. Hey, guys, do you want to go do flips again? Yeah, let's go!
Yeah!
All right, guys, let's go hit some ramps. Whee!
If you love monster trucks, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to give this video a thumbs up.
Tweet on my videos to watch more trips to us.